Good morning. Nato diri sa sa Charleston, South Carolina. There is Limehouse Produce. First time na ito sa ganing lugar, no? Mag-deliver ta diri kadali. Dayon. Oh, Limehouse Produce. Libot-libot na kulakaw. So, today's Sunday. Most likely wala load karon, so pataog ma-empty dayon. I don't know what are we gonna do today. Sunday, my day off, so we'll see kung sa'yo pabuhat na daw karon. We'll find out. Yes, very nice. First time sa Limehouse Produce Warehouse. So pag mag-empty yan mangita tagod sa buhaton na daw karon. Empty na tayo. Wala na. Natapos na rin ang trabaho. Nakalak na. Check lang na kung nagipasig. Wala pa nakalak ba. Okay. To go from there to empty. Alright. Hapon na, hapit tag mall pero atong tuyo diha ra gid sa atong shopping center. Nice place. Muna ni akong playground. Yup. Oh yeah. Park right there at the back. The mall's right here. Back of the mall may sa tubangan dito sa Picas Pasaloyo, pero dari may luag man ni dari. Oh, so natay parking. Mana biyahe na buta pa yung taga Atlanta. Pick up tomorrow. Trying to find a place to go sleep tonight. So ready to go. Ready na siya, no? Cinema Roll. Yeah, that's the mall. Yun yung mall. Nandun yung Planet Fitness right over there. So park right here. Open area, nobody here. And check this out. Oh, diba? No park. What's that? Ooh. Anyways, let's go. But punta na tayo sa sa Atlanta, Georgia. So ngayon nasa Charleston, South Carolina pa tayo. And balis na. Let's go. It's on ski. Alright. Shutdown na to dali. Ito sa Georgia. Nasulod sa Georgia. Napo ko 2 hours para sa Atlanta. Murag indot naman higda-higda. So time to sleep, and then I'll do it again tomorrow. Good night. I got a bonus. It's raining before I go to sleep. Nice. Raindrops are falling on my truck. Good night.